Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Captan Gaming. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is my very first YouTube channel and this is my very first video. Not exactly the first. My previous video was about 7 seconds and that is my video intro. In this pandemic, I'm spending my day by playing mobile games and doing some studies. So I wondered why I don't utilize the time. Let's do something different. That's why I created this channel. Then I was wondering what my first video would be. Suddenly I got an idea. The way I created this channel and the way I made this channel look professional, why don't I share the process with you? Many of you may not know that you can create a YouTube account on your smartphone. And if you have the talent to create interesting content, if you can upload videos regularly, then we all know that YouTube is not only a social media but also a source of income. So this video is about how to create a YouTube channel or YouTube gaming channel and how to make that channel look professional on your smartphone. I mean verifying the channel, editing channel about, adding logo, banner, watermark, keyword, etc. By mobile YouTube application, you can simply create a channel and you can just add a logo and information about the channel. That's it. But the main thing, you cannot verify that channel. And if you don't verify the channel, you cannot upload more than 10 minutes of video, you cannot add custom thumbnail and many more. So, in this video, I will use Google Chrome browser and I will disable the YouTube mobile application. The reason behind this, I will let you know in the video. And one thing, please like the video and make sure to subscribe. It's just a tap. Your subscription, like, comments will inspire me a lot. Let's jump into the video. First open Google Chrome browser. Tap on three-dot menu. Tap desktop site, cause it will help you to search desktop version website. Now search YouTube. As you can see, it looks like PC version. Tap on the first link. But the link will take you to a mobile YouTube app. That's why I recommend you to disable or uninstall the app. Now go back to Google Chrome browser. Tap on the first link again. As you can see, this web page looks like PC version. Now tap on Gmail profile. If you have created your Gmail account long time ago, you will see an option your channel instead of create a channel. Tap on get started. If you want to rename your YouTube channel as your Gmail name, then tap here. But if you want a new name, then tap here. Now type your new name. Agree to the agreement and tap create. Now you have to verify your account. Write down your mobile number. You will get a message from Google with 6-digit code. Copy the code and paste it. And never share the code with anyone.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now you can add your channel logo and other thing, but I recommend to do nothing. Tap setup later. Okay, Here is your channel's first look. Everything is empty now.
लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के।
Now we have to customize our channel. Tap Continue to Studio. I think YouTube removed their old classic studio, that's why we have to work on new YouTube studio. We will work here later. Now let's finish the important task. Tap on settings icon left down below. Keep the currency unit to US dollar. Tap on channel. Now we have to select country. If you want to make videos for only your country, then you can select yours. But I want to make videos for people around the world. That's why I will choose United States. Now you have to add some keywords which no one will see, and it will tell YouTube that what type of channel you are creating. It's my gaming channel, so I wrote some gaming related keywords. I'm gonna copy and paste it. Now go to Advanced Settings. Okay, if you make your videos for kids, then tap yes, and if you don't, then tap no. But I recommend to tap on I want to review the settings for every video. Now go to Feature Eligibility. Now the important text. Tap on Verify Mobile Number. Make sure the browser is in desktop side. Tap on Text me the verification code. Write down your mobile number. You will get a message from Google with 6-digit code. Copy the code and paste it. And never share the code with anyone. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Now go back. Now you will see features that require phone verification is enabled. Now you can upload your video more than 15 minutes. You can add custom thumbnail. You can also do live stream.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, almost done. There is nothing to do in upload defaults, permission, community and agreements. Now simply save it. Now the interesting part, tap on branding. This section will give your channel a good look. Now upload logo. Choose your channel logo and try to maintain the logo size ratio of 1:1. Now upload banner. A banner looks different on TV, PC and mobile. Here you can see, this size of banner will show in mobile, this size in PC, and this size in smart TV. You will find a lot of YouTube banner in Google. If you use those banner without any customization, you may get copyright claim, which is definitely not good for your channel. So, if you want to make banner or logo like any other design or like me, then just comment down below. I will upload in the next video. Now upload watermark. As you can see in this video. Display time as you wish, but I want to show it on entire video. As you can see here, the logo is uploaded. Now go to basic information. Now you have to tell something about your channel to your viewers. It will appear in your channel about section. I have already written something. I will just copy and paste it. Now you can add some social link which will also appear in About section. I copied my FB profile link and the channel's Facebook page, so I'm gonna just copy and paste it. Now you can add an email address. Your viewer can contact you with this email. Now tap publish. Okay, change published. Now tap view channel. Now I'm gonna show you the channel from YouTube application. Okay, here is our channel. If you enjoyed the video, then give this a thumbs up. Comment if you want to know anything else, how was the video, what I missed, and please share the video with your friends, family and social media. And make sure to subscribe. Your support will inspire me a lot. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.
Why won't you die?